Good morning, all of you. I am your science teacher, and today I am going to teach you science. From last few videos, we were continued with our 7th chapter of science, that is getting to know plants. Okay, so in this chapter, we already discussed on different categories of plants like trees, herbs, shrubs, creepers, and climbers on the basis of their stem hardness, on the basis of their flowers and the color of the stems. Okay, then we are already discussed on the different parts of the plant. So stem we discussed, and then leaves leaves already discussed, and today we continue with the same chapter. From the next part of the plant is root. Okay, so in your textbook you see this picture. So by an activity we can try to understand what is the role of roots in the growth of plant. Okay, so we take two plants, this type of same type of two plants, and uh, two pots. One plant put into the soil with the roots, and the second one is first cut the roots and then buried in the soil. Okay, so and we sprinkle water regularly for a week, and after a week what we see that the plant with pot A has growing properly, but the plant in pot B is not growing. Why? Because it doesn't have root, and uh, in the absence of root, it is it is not able to absorb water from the soil. So by this activity we can understand that what is the role of roots. Okay, and some points are there. What is roots? First we discuss what we roots. Plant organ, it means part of plant which lies below the soil surface. It means that buried under the ground, or that lies below the soil surface, is called root. Okay, plant organ which lies below the soil surface is called root. Root, what is the role of root? Root helps holding the plant firmly in the soil. It helps to anchor the plant in the soil. Okay, they are said to anchor the plant. What we say? They said to anchor the plant to the soil. Okay, what is the function of roots? Root absorb minerals. First it anchor in the soil, and holding the plant firmly means strongly in the soil. Okay, root first function is first function it anchor in the soil, and second function it absorb minerals from the soil, and third one is nutrient and water absorbed from the soil, which is necessary for plant. Okay, plant have basically on on the basis of their structure, they have three types of root system. Okay, so different types of plants have different types of root system. So there are three types of root system: taproot, fibrous root, and adventitious root. So three types of roots. So the diagram of three types of roots are there. By the seeing of this diagram, you are able to identify what is the difference between the taproot, fibrous root, and adventitious root. Okay, this is the taproot. In this type of roots, a main root is present and their thin branches are present, and these thin branches are called as lateral roots. And in fibrous root doesn't have any main root, and they are equally. And adventitious root have a different variety of the roots. So let's discuss types of root. We discussed now. First one is taproot. So here they give some example of taproot. Beetroot. These are the example. They have taproot, beetroot, carrot we see, and sugar beet, radish. These are the example of taproot. So many times we see the radish or the uh, beetroot or carrot. So in this picture, in this picture you see these are the whole carrot is a main root, and some hair like structures are growing this is around in the surface of carrot or the radish. These fibrous structure or hair like structures are these type of roots are called lateral roots. Okay, so the main root which is larger, always the main root is larger and it is fast growing, so we called it taproot. And the branch and smaller roots is called lateral roots, we already discussed. Then the next type of roots is fibrous root. In fibrous roots there is no main root. In the fibrous roots, the plant they have fibrous roots, they don't have any main root. So all roots are the same in size. Okay, all roots are same in size. Some examples are given here: coconut palm, onion, grass, spring onion, etc. So if you see the coconut palm or onion or a grass or wheat plant, rice plant, different types of plants are there. When you see the roots of these type of plants, they have fibrous root. All roots have the same size, approximately same size, okay, and same type. And then the last one is adventitious root. Adventitious root that form on any part of plant. Adventitious root, what is the adventitious roots? Roots that form from any part of the plant other than actual root. These roots are called adventitious roots. Okay, if plant, they give some, a note here. If plant has leaves with reticulate venation, have taproot, and plant with fibrous root have parallel venation in their leaves. So on the basis of their venation, we can identify the which type of roots the plant have. Okay, for example, if any plant have, if any plant's leaf have reticulate venation we see, it means this type of plant, if any plant leaves have this type of venation. What is this type of venation? Reticulate venation. If the plant have reticulate venation, it means this plant has taproot. And on the other hand, the plants which have parallel venation in their leaf, it means they have which type of roots? Fibrous roots. Okay, I hope you understand, and we will continue from next class. Okay, good luck.